too long.
I think most have made it through at least a sketch, accurate or not. So if you think about heterozygous pea plant doing meiosis, I would represent that like this. Big peas and little peas. So these are sister chromatids, these are sister chromatids, these are homologous chromosomes. All right? So first thing we do is we separate the pairs of sister chromatids from each other, so the homologous chromosomes move apart, and we end up getting cells that look like that. And then we separate them again, and we end up getting cells that look like this. So every time a heterozygous individual goes through meiosis, it's going to make haploid cells that are 50% big P and 50% little p. Okay. So in this worksheet, if you look down below the sketch you made, you will see a Punnet square where we have done just that. We have taken our heterozygous individuals. I'll clear this out and do it up here so we can all see it. So our first parent is going to be big P, little p, and who's the second parent? Also big P, little p. You just separate those two letters. You separate the two letters, and then you combine them in the square. So big P from first parent combines with big P from second parent. Big P from second parent combines with little p from first parent. Big P from first parent with little p from second, and two little p's. So what ratio, what magic Mendelian ratio did we just uncover here? Does everybody see that it's a 1 to 2 to 1 ratio? And so what comes out of this is going to be 1 part big P, 2 parts big P, little p, and 1 part little p, little p. So in phenotype, it'll be a 3 to 1 ratio of purple to white, but it will be 1 part true breeding purple, 2 parts non-true breeding purple, and 1 part true breeding white. So practice these 2 Punnet squares at the bottom. I ask you to cross a not true breeding purple, so that's heterozygous with a true breeding purple. And then I ask you to cross a heterozygous purple with a true breeding homozygous white. So set up the Punnet squares on the bottom of the sheet, just as quick practice.